Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning about the latest gadgets and apps as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into how to back up photos in Google Photos for 2025. With smartphones capturing thousands of memories, ensuring your photos are safe is more important than ever. Whether you're upgrading your phone or just want peace of mind, this quick guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the Google Photos app installed on your device. If not, head to your App Store and download it. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in the app, look for the profile icon in the top right corner and tap it. This will take you to your account settings. Now, scroll down until you find the Backup option. It's usually under the main settings menu, and in 2025, Google has made it even simpler with new AI-driven features to optimize your storage. Tap on Backup, and you'll see a toggle switch to turn it on. Before you do, take a second to customize your settings. You can choose the backup quality, original size for the best quality, or storage saver, to free up space. If you have multiple devices, select which ones to include. Once everything looks good, flip that switch to On. Google Photos will start backing up your photos and videos automatically in the background. One cool update for 2025 is the Smart Categorization feature, which uses AI to organize your backups by events or faces, making it easier to find what you need later. While it's backing up, keep an eye on your storage. Google offers free unlimited backups for photos up to a certain size, but you might need to manage space if you're heavy on high-res files. Finally, to verify everything's working, go back to the main screen and check the Backed Up section. It should show your recent uploads. And that's it, you've just secured your precious memories. If you run into any issues, double-check your internet connection or reach out to Google support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. See you next time.